If you are planning to invest in this business, this is probably one of the first questions you should ask, because the answers do not just tell you how fast the machine is, it tells you how much revenue your business could potentially generate. Many investors focus only on the purchase price of the machine, but experienced business owners look at something much more important: vehicle throughput. The more vehicles you can serve efficiently, the greater your opportunities to increase revenue without dramatically increasing operating costs. The Go&Go automatic car wash system was built for exactly that purpose. Every stage of the wash is automated to keep vehicles moving smoothly through the process. From the moment a car enters the wash bay, intelligent sensors position the vehicle correctly before the system begins its washing cycle. High-pressure water removes loose dirt and road debris, followed by an even foam application. Soft, commercial-grade brushes safely clean the vehicle body, while dedicated wheel brushes remove stubborn breakers and rim. Business can also add optional undercarriage washes and a powerful air drying system to deliver a complete premium wash experience. Because every wash follows the same program sequence, the machines deliver consistent quality from the first customer of the morning to the last customer of the day. There is no delays caused by employee fatigue, inconsistent washing techniques, or changing stock performance. So how many cars can it wash? The actual number depends on several factors, including the wash package you offer, vehicle size, customer follow, and your daily operating hours. A business operating in a busy location with continuous traffic will naturally wash more vehicles than one in quieter area. That's why there is no single number that applies to every installation. However, one thing remains true across every successful operation: an automated system allows you to serve significantly more vehicles than a traditional hand wash using the same amount of time and far fewer employees. This is especially valuable for gas stations, automotive service center, dealership and packing facility where vehicles are already arriving throughout the day. Instead of asking customers to wait in long lines while several employees manually wash each car, the Go&Go system provides a fast, professional, and repeatable process that keeps vehicles moving and customers satisfied. High vehicle capacity also creates another important advantage: business scalability. As customer demand grows, your revenue can increase without hiring an entirely new washing team. One trained operator supervises the process while the machines perform the heavy work, helping control labor costs while maintaining excellent service quality. At the end of the day, success is not measured by how many cars the machine can wash. It's measured by how many satisfied customers return because they receive fast, reliable, and professional service. If you are considering investing in automatic car wash, don't rely on estimate alone. Visit Go&Go for a live demonstration. See the system operating under real business conditions, and let our team estimate your potential daily capacity based on your location, traffic volume, and business goals. Because the right machine does not just wash more cars, it helps you build a business that keeps growing year after year.